Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Reaper from Fortnite, and which is just a John Wick ripoff. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw his eye first. I'm going to draw his eyebrow. It's going to be a mean brow. Okay, so it's almost like a little check mark. Okay, on both sides. And then from there we can draw in the eye, and I'm just going to kind of keep it a little bit smaller. Just draw a line in the eyeball. Okay, so it's very cartoony. It's almost like a comic book character. Okay, and then from there we're going to draw his nose, so just come down. It's really simple. Okay, and then from there now we can draw in his beard. So we're gonna come down here, his mustache. Just draw two lines like this. And then on the inside here, draw another line. Okay, and then from here we're gonna draw his beard. So we're gonna come down, and then we're gonna come back up. Okay, so in here in the opening, this is where his mouth's gonna be, so we're just gonna draw a line and then another line on the underneath. That's his lower lip. So it's very simple. Okay, so once we have this, now let's fill in the rest of the face. So from here, a little bit off center, I'm gonna draw his hair, so we're just gonna come down, and then on this side we're gonna go up, kind of same thing, we're gonna come down. And then now we're going to connect the hair with this little beard here on the side. So we're just going to use a little bit of dotted line here. So just kind of go up. Okay, so once we have this, now let's go up and finish up his hair, and we'll work our way down. So from here, just going to give this line almost some thickness here. So it's just going to be one big strand. And then on this side as well, we're going to go up. Okay, just kind of curve it out. This is going to be one big strand as well. Okay, and then from here, just go up and just kind of finish up the hair. So real simple, just kind of curve that out, and on this side, just curve this one down. Okay, so that's his hair, and then now we're going to come down and finish up his beard. So on the side here, just kind of come down both sides all the way down. So it's gonna be a really big beard. Okay, and then after we have that, we can draw in, just draw in some lines so that it looks like his facial hair. Okay, and then on the back here, there's gonna be a little bit of hair coming out the back side. Yeah, I know he's got a little scar here, so I'm gonna try to do it with a Sharpie. Yeah, it's kind of weird because my Sharpie is so thick. I'm gonna add in a little bit of hairline here as well. Okay, so let's move on to the body, so which is really cool. He's just wearing a really cool looking suit. So from here, okay, draw two lines, and then this is gonna be the inside of the shirt, his collar. Okay, and then from here, let's draw in the overall shape of the suit. So right here, we're just gonna go out at a slant and make it kind of wide, because we want to give him wide shoulders, right? And then after this one, from here, we're gonna come down. This is the inside of the coat. So we're just gonna go straight down with a curve. Okay. And now on this side here, we're gonna come down. So this is the outside of the coat. Okay, angle it in. This is gonna be the waist right here. It's gonna flare back out. This is the shoulders. We're gonna come in this to the waist, flare back out. And then now we're gonna just connect this. So now we have his coat. Okay, so now we can draw in some of the details. So like the collar here, just line, angle, tuck it back in. So line, angle, tuck it back in. And then we're gonna give him 2 little buttons right here. And right on the waist area right here, we're just gonna be 2 pockets. So it's just gonna be 2 rectangular shapes. And now we're gonna go back on the inside, and this side is gonna be his tie. So draw a little shape like this. And then on the inside, he's got a vest. So just draw like a V shape. From the middle, go down, out. And let's give him some buttons. I'll just draw 4. And then to finish off his tie, just connect that. So let's draw this side first, since the other side is gonna be holding a gun, so it's gonna be more complicated. So from here, we're gonna come down, okay, right around the waist area, make a little turn and come all the way down almost to the suit area. And then here, come down, it's gonna get a little bit skinnier and then just kind of close it off. And then let's see, it's got another layer inside, okay? And then now I'm gonna have him holding a fist, so just thumb. And then this side, and then we'll just go 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, okay. Hard to see with the 4th one, but you get the idea. With the Sharpie. All right, so I'm gonna give that some creasing there. So now we gotta draw the other side. It's gonna be holding a gun. So on this one, corner, come straight down a little bit more. Curve out, okay. Then here. So this is almost like a straight line. Kind of close that off. Another layer in there. And let's just go ahead and give it some creasing in there right now. All right, so from here, now we're gonna draw his gun. So it's a little bit tricky, but we'll just draw his hand first. So just come out and draw his thumb. Okay, and then from there, we're gonna draw 4 fingers. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3 fingers, sorry. 3, okay? And then in here, we just draw the grip. So we're just gonna come out a little bit. All right, so once we have that, now we can finish up the gun. So right here, same direction as this thumb line here. We're just gonna go straight out. That's a little crooked, but then here, up, a little bit of an angle, and then we're gonna go straight out. So we're just gonna keep this pretty simple. There's not a lot of details we can put in here with a Sharpie. Okay, so once you have that, just draw in a little corner in there, and then it's gonna be this finger holding the trigger. And we give this a little bit of thickness, and then the trigger's in here. It's really hard to see. Okay, and then here, let's give just a little bit of detail here. 2, 3. And then the sight. I'll give some more lines up here. So I think that's about it. I know I kind of messed this part up, so I'll try to clean it up. Okay, so we just keep that simple. And let's see, I think I missed a mark here. I better finish, just close that gap off. Okay, so now let's move on to his legs. So right in the middle right here, come down where his coat is. Let's draw a little line, that's his crotch area. And then right here, now we're gonna come down on both sides. And then from here, just coat in a little bit. We're gonna taper it in because it's a very form-fitting suit. Okay, so here's the knee. So now we're gonna come down and just give it a little bit of a wiggle like that because his pants legs is gonna be folded up a little bit, creasing. And then here, we're gonna come out, come in, and then flare out again for his pant legs. Now we're gonna close that off with a slight angle. Okay, so let's move on. Let's do the other side first then. So here's the knee, come down a little bit, angle, pinch it in, go out, pinch it in, and again, just a little bit of folding. Just close that off. Now we can draw a shoe. So this one's gonna be off to the side a little bit, so it's gonna be a little bit bigger, longer. So just come out, very simple. Just go all the way back. And we can draw in a little bit of detail, not too much, and then maybe I think he's got a little bit of heel there. Okay, so just keep it simple. And then on this side, we won't go out as much because it's facing us a little bit more. So just curve it out, and just close it back in. And then let's see, okay, let's draw a little bit of that too then. And that's it for this Reaper character from Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.